Okay, dear students, understand this very important last questions of the line integral. What is that? Find the work done in moving a particle. So in the force field they are given. Force field is nothing but a certain force is acting on your body. That is what F function. Therefore, we have to find out work done as we know that work done is given by a line integral over a curve f dot dr, right? So we have to find out first f dot dr and knowing the lower limit and upper limit here. Now consider that, what is that? Vector function r vector is equal to, as you know that, xi plus yj plus zk. Differentiate this to get dr. So dr vector is equal to dxi plus dyj plus dzk. Got my point? So now we have to find out f vector dot dr vector. So component wise multiplication. Here we have f vector along with ijk. Here also dr vector along ijk. Just component wise multiplication. So I dot I is 1, j dot j is 1, k dot k is 1. Then 3x square into dx plus second quantity, what is that? 2xz minus y into dy plus third quantity is z into here what? Dz. That will be first equation. Okay, now the first option is what? A straight line. Have a look on this. Straight line through 0 comma 0 comma 0 2. So 2 comma 1 comma 3. As we know that this can be taken as x1 y1 z1 since it is 3 dimensional, x2 y2 z2. Equation of the line is given by, so what is that? X minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1 is equal to y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1 is equal to z minus z1 divided by z2 minus z1, and since all are equal, they are equal to some t. Got my point? Now have a look on this. Substitute here x minus x1, that means x minus 0, x divided by 2 minus 0 is 2. Similarly y minus y1, y minus 0 divided by y2 minus y1, 1 minus 0 is equal to z divided by, so 3. So that is equal to t. Therefore, we can write x is equal to 2t. Have a look on this. X is equal to 2t, y is equal to t, z is equal to 3t. So when one of the point is origin, we can easily find out the value. That is x is equal to 2t, y is equal to 1t, z is equal to 3t are the parametric equation. Got my point? That is the simple way. When one point is origin, then the parametric equations are given by x is equal to, the coefficient remaining is 2t, y is equal to 1t, z is equal to 3t. That is what the equation. Now just differentiate this. Dx is equal to, we want dx here, okay? Dx is equal to 2 into dt, dy is equal to just dt, dz is equal to 3 into dt. Just substitute in this equation, what happens here? Therefore, equation 1 becomes, first write down this. Equation 1 becomes, that means, what is that? F dot dr vector. F dot dr vector. Now what to do here? I can just substitute the value of x is equal to 2t, dx is equal to 2 dt, y is equal to t, dy is equal to dt, z is equal to 3t, and dz is equal to 3 dt. I am going to substitute here. What happens here? 3x square, right? This is equation number 1. 3x square, 3 into x is 2t. So that is equal to 3 into 4t square. Am I right? So x square is there. X is 2t. X square is 2t whole square. Into dx. What is dx? 2 dt. 2 dt plus, we have to come here, 2xz. 2 into, have a look on this. 2 into x is 2t. Into y is what? 3t. Minus y. Y is what here? T. Into dy. What is dy? Just dt. Plus z into dz. Z is what? 3t into dz is what? 3 dt. Just after simplification of all these things, f dot dr, what you will get? So by multiplying 3 2s are 3 4s are 12. 12 into 2 that is 24t square dt plus 2 2s are 4t into 3t, that is 12t square minus t upon dt into 3 3s are 9t into dt. After simplification, the final answer what you will get is 36t square 36t square plus 8t into dt. 8t into dt. This is what. Now we have to find out. Therefore, integral f dot dr over a curve C, that is equal to integral from 0 to 1. Why we have to take the 0 to 1? Here the point is minimum point we have to take. 0 to 2 is there, 0 to 1, 0 to 3. The minimum is what? 0 to 1 we have to take. That is what here I can write 36t square plus 8t into dt, which can integrate it. So what happens here? 36t cube divided by 3 plus 8t square divided by what is that? 2. So from 0 to 1, after simplifying this factor, that you will get 16. So this is what line integral of f dot dr over a curve C. Therefore, we want the work done, right? So therefore, work done is equal to, work done is denoted by capital W. Work done is equal to, so line integral of f dot dr over C. What is an answer? 16. So work done is 16 for the first question, right? Now let us move to the second question here. What is the second question, sir? It's very simple, very simple. Understand keen observation, okay? If you observe very keenly, then everything becomes so easy. So these things are, that means vector integration over a vector functions are very, very important for the future career. So you should understand all these things. So most of the times, this vector process or vector functions or scalar functions widely used in all network issues, that means mobile services or in diagnostics or laboratories. So all these things are tracing things. In all these things we are majorly we are using this. So that's why we have to understand this. Option B, what option B says that here? Option B, the curve defined by x square is equal to 4y, 3x square is equal to 8z from x is equal to 0 to 2. For that we can define that, we can take x square is equal to 4y, 3x square is equal to 8z. Therefore, let us take x is equal to t. When x is equal to t, this becomes t square is equal to 4y and 3t square is equal to 8z. How it is, sir? Just simply understand this. We have taken x is equal to t. When x is equal to t, this becomes x is t. T square is equal to 4y. 3t square is equal to 8z. I want the value of x, y, z here. So have a look on that. X is equal to t. We want y. Y is equal to t square by 4. And z is equal to, cross multiply that, 3t square by 8. We can take now this. So dx is equal to dt. So dx is equal to dt. We want dx here, right? So dx dy like this. So dy is equal to 2t divided by 4. 2t dt divided by 4. And dz is equal to, so 3 2s are 60 divided by 8. 60 dt divided by 8. We can simplify that. Dx is equal to dt. So dy is equal to t by 4 into dt. And dz is equal to, what is dz is equal to? 2 3s are 2 4s are, that is 3 by 4. So nothing but 3t square. This is what? Cube, right? 3x square. This is not 3x square is equal to 8z. 3x cube, sorry, this 3x cube. So then it becomes 3t cube. So what happens here? 3t cube. Then it becomes what? 9t square divided by 8 into dt. Okay, am I right? Okay, now we have to substitute here. So dz is equal to nothing but, what happens here? 9t square dt divided by 8. Now we have to substitute all these conditions in equation 1. Therefore, equation 1 becomes, it is very simple. Equation 1 becomes, equation 1, what is that? So that is f dot dr. So that is equal to, just substitute here, 3x square, 3 into x is t square, that become 3t square, okay, plus substitute here, 2 into, have a look on this, 2 into x is what here, x is t, okay, x is t, z is what, z is 3t cube by 8, have a look on that, 3t cube by 8 minus y is that, what is y, t square by 4, have a look on that, t square by 4 into dy, what is dy, 2t by 4, 2t by 4 into dt plus z into dz. What is z? Z is what? 3t cube divided by 8 into dz is what? 9t square divided by 8 into dt. This is what? After simplification, f dot dr. So just have to simplify this by taking LCM and simplification. The ultimately that the equation become like this. What is that? The equation become 3t square plus 3t power 5 divided by 8 minus t power 4 divided by 8 plus 27 divided by 64 t power 5 into dt. Okay, this is what after simplifying. Actually, we want the line integral of f dot dr over a curve C is equal to integral from, they are given that x is equal to 0 to 2. We have to take 0 to 2. 0 to 2, and this become f dot dr is this one, 3t square plus 3t power 5 divided by 8 minus t power 4 divided by 8 plus 27 by 64 t power 5, that is not t power 5, yes, t power 5 into dt. Okay, and after integrating and substituting the lower limit and upper limit, so that you will get 96 divided by 6, that is nothing but 16 again, that is a closed interval C f dot dr. Actually, what is the main purpose of this is to find out the work done. Therefore, work done is given by capital W. So that is equal to, so line integral of f dot dr over C. What is the answer? 16. This will be the answer. So I hope you all understand well about the line integral using the vector function in a curve C between t is equal to a and t is equal to b. So major important thing is a line integral is to find out the work done by the force acting on a body in a vector field, right? So thank you.